Alright, welcome back to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your controllers to the Switch 2. So the main way is to just plug them into the controller. This works with both the Joy-Cons and also the Pro Controller 2, and it should pair automatically. Although you will need to use a cable when you're doing it with the Pro Controller 2. If you want to disconnect your controllers or have them be forgotten to make it easier to pair them with another Switch, all you have to do is go into the settings, go to the controllers section, and at the very bottom is an option to disconnect your controllers and have your system forget them. Although it would be easier to disconnect your Joy-Cons when doing this, otherwise they will instantaneously pair again when you click to forget. Now, if you want to do this wirelessly, there is a slight different process. Just grab your controllers, open up the system settings again, go to the same controller section, and then at the top is an option to change the grip order. Open up that menu, and then you just have to press the little round button on the side of the controller, or it connects to the Switch 2, in this case the Joy-Cons, and then it'll automatically pair with the console wirelessly when you press and hold on that button. That is the pairing button for Bluetooth. Now, you can do the same thing with the Pro Controller 2. Instead of plugging it in, it's got the same button, but it's on the back where you plug it in to charge it. Press and hold, and then once the lights start to dance on it, it'll automatically connect to the nearest Switch. And there you have it. That's how you connect all of your controllers to the Nintendo Switch 2, both manually by plugging them in and wirelessly, and that'll work for both the Switch Joy-Cons 2 for the Switch 2 and the Pro Controller 2, and also if you want to go back in time and connect the Gen 1 Joy-Cons and the Gen 1 Pro Controller, those will also do the exact same thing. All of them are backwards compatible so that they can be connected to the Switch 2. Although I don't think you can connect the Joy-Cons to the original Switch, although I'm not really sure why you'd want to. So, hope that helps, and bye.